3 llargues setmanes plenes de dissorts, ni llunes, ni mars, ni mercuris, ni júpiters, ni venus, ni fràgils anells de Saturn. La 4a setmana fou un eclipsi. La gent trontollava, cega, o s'estava asseguda sota els bacs nus. A les palpentes ensoperaven malucs, s'aferraven i s'enamoraven. Què pot dir l'home de l'amor o la ceguesa? Tanca el llum.
Her faith was 3 weeks long. Her faith was 3 weeks long. 3 long weeks full of Sundays, moon days, Mars days, Mercury days, Jupiter days, Venus days, and fragile rings of Saturn. The 4th week was an eclipse. People staggered blind or sat on their bare walks. Blind and blind felt thighs, touched, and fell in love. What can any man say about love or blindness? Put out the lamp.